Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you'll not get any kind of notification. That's why you have to subscribe my YouTube channel right now. So today we'll discussing about the mailing menu. Before we already uploaded the video about home menu, insert menu, design menu and page layout, and you can check that video also. If you have any kind of confusion about that my previous video, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to give answer of your each questions. So without any let's begin our tutorial. So inside mailing menu there are several sections available like before menus. The first section is create, and another section is start mail, merge, and another is write and insert fields, another is previous result and finish. Each sections have different kind of tasks. So from the create you can make envelopes and labels, and so I'm making an envelope from here, and you can also create a sample of envelopes from here. So you have to put the delivery address from here. So I'm putting the address. So I'm writing the delivery address, sorry, Pokhara, Nepal. Okay, and Nita Lembo, and to return address I'm giving an address Dhankuta, Nepal. Sorry, Dhankuta, Nepal, and the base right. And after this you can customize this one from the option. Also you can change the font size from here, and you can customize the font from here. You can make it you can change the font style, size and everything. So I'm making bold, and you can change the font also from here, and but it's okay for me, that's why and you can make it all caps also. Okay, and for the return address also you can set this one from here. So after this you have to click in OK, and you can see there is a little bit changes inside my delivery address, right? And in the return address there is no changes. And if you want to print this one, you can directly click in the print, but if you want to add this envelope inside your document, then you have to click in the add to document, and from here you can create label also from here. Okay, but it's okay for me, but just I'm clicking creating envelopes, that's why it's okay for me, and I'm clicking in the add to document and just click in the yes. Now see there is a envelope inside my document. So if I make the zoom minus, see the envelope, the sample of envelope inside my document. Okay, so from here, from the label also you can create a label from here, and from here it's telling me that full page of the same label and single label. You can set this one is your requirement. Okay, it's okay for me. And another option is start mailing merge. It's one of the useful options of Microsoft Word. If you want to create the sample of letters, email messages, envelopes, labels directly, lots of options available. But if you want to create everything from one place, you have to use step-by-step mail merge wizard. Just click there, and when you will click there, in my right side there is a mail merge sections, and it's telling me that select document type, and just wait for a moment. There are several options available. One is letters, email messages, envelopes, labels directly. And if you want to create the sample of letters, you have to choose letters. If you want to create the sample of email messages, you have to choose email messages. And for envelopes also you already created, right? And for the directory you can create directory also from here, but it's okay for me, that's why you have to click next. And see there is 3 options available. One is use the current document, another second option is start from a template, and the third option is start from existing document. If you want want to use the current document as a sample, you can choose the first option. And if you want to use the template of the Microsoft Word, in that case you have to choose start from template. And if you want to use the existing document, and you can use start from existing document. Okay, so but I'm choosing the start from template, and from the select template you can choose different kind of templates. See, there are lots template available. You can choose a general sample also, or you can choose access database template also. There is letters samples available, other documents, reports, resume, lots options available. If you want to create a CV or curriculum vitae also, you can make from the resume. There are a three sample available. Okay, but in this case, see, there are lots letters samples available, but I think I need to use this one, so I'm using the essential letters sample. See, in my right side there is a preview also. You can also see essential report. If you are making a report, you can use this sample. And see, there are lots options available, but I'm choosing the origin letters. And after this, just you have to click in the OK. Now see, inside my document there is a sample of a letter, and from here you can type the sender title, you can type the sender company name, and you can use the date also, and you can type something here, and you can type the salutation also here, and you can put here recipient name, and lots option available here. Okay, and see, and from here, sorry, from the use the correct document, there are 6 steps, but I think it's enough for us. But if you want to go more, see, there is another option, select recipient options. It's telling me that use an existing list. If you have already created a list, then in that case you can use this one. And if you want to use Outlook contacts, in that case you can use this one. But for this you have to need internet connection, and you can create a new list also. From the create, there is a wizard, and from here you can fill this form and you can create a new list also. But I think it's not useful for us. If you want to send email, in that case you should not do like this. You can directly use outlook.com or gmail.com or yahoo.com. It's your choice. But if you want to create the sample of your letters and resume or everything, in that case you have to use this mailing options. So thank you so much for watching this video, hoping you understand about the mailing, and if you have any kind of confusions, in that case you can ask me in the comment sections. And hoping you understand about the mailing and start mailing more sections. So if you have any kind of confusion about this video, you can ask me in the comment sections. So I'll meet with you in another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again.